guys, lahat yan. Kahit dito, ang malinis lang dito ay yung daan. Ayan, guys. Ayan, yun, natatakpan yan.
You know, you can hit this ice and go sliding and land in a ditch and kill yourself if you're not careful.
Kailangan mag-iingat ka dito mag-drive kasi ayan yung hangin na yan, natatakpan yung daan, tapos minsan nai-stuck yung mga tao dito.
Crazy fishing. Show them the cars fishing.
Ayos lahat yan. Ang malinis lang dito yung daan. Ayan yung mga fishermen, ice fishing. Ayan, kahit malamig yan. Ayan yung ice. Diyan kami. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Right here, then.
Okay.
And he can always drive here to Goose Bay.
Okay. Ayan, diyan kami mismo nakatira. Ayan, Ayan. Okay. Bye-bye.
Right, babe?